7 hours on the ground in Tokyo. This is not a drill. Your objectives are clear. 1. Secure a DJI Osmo 3. 2. Acquire an extra GoPro battery. 3. Collect an assortment of Japanese skincare. Choose wisely. Travel size containers only. Liquids over 100 milliliters will be confiscated at security. Next objective, nourishment. You must consume to matcha items. Drink, dessert. You decide. Then choose your main meal, sushi or wagyu steak. But not both. This mission requires focus. Time is critical. 7 hours. No extensions. Avoid distractions. No side quests. No capsule toy machines. Stay sharp, agent. If you complete this mission, you will be rewarded with a hefty 1,000 subscribers. Your loyal digital force, ready to follow your next move. To all viewers listening in, are you ready to join the mission? Subscribe now to follow Agent Thrive. Drop a sushi emoji or a steak emoji in the comments to report for duty. Click subscribe. Hit the bell. This mission needs backup. This message will now self-destruct. Just kidding. But the clock is ticking. Over and out.
To take the train. Okay, I'm on my way to try to find the big camera in the airport. They have a little mall marketplace or something. So I'm trying to find that. Nursery. It's like food. Glasses. Big camera. Yay, I found it. Let's see if I can get everything I need here. And this is how you purchase it. See the price here. But I'm gonna ask and make sure that I can get tax-free and all of those things. I just want to quickly show how micro SD cards are more expensive here in Japan. That's why I bought mine in Best Buy in the States. Okay, so new plan. I'm just gonna grab the DJI here just to make sure I have it. And then I'm still gonna go into Akiba to try to get the GoPro extra battery because they don't have it here and I have plenty of time. So I just have to figure out how to navigate. Okay, so mission accomplished. We got the big camera, the DJI Osmo 3. They didn't have the Hero, the GoPro extra battery, so I am going to go in town and try and find it. I do have a good amount of time. It's currently 5 o'clock. I should be there by 6. I want to come back no later than 8. So that's the game plan.
Tokyo monorail. For your safety, please use the handrail. Do not put your baggage on the seat so that as many customers as possible can be seated. Please place your suitcases and other large baggage in the baggage areas. The next stop is Zohajima NO5.
minutes trying to figure out where the exit is. I'm at the right train station. I just don't know how to go get out. Let's hope they have the battery. I went to another big camera, a big one, and they didn't have it. Mission accomplished. I got 2 things of matcha and some sushi. Sorry, I forgot to video before. I started drinking. I'm so.
Do you think the agent completed the mission? Follow to see where the next mission takes us.